Yes, sir, we promised you a great
Gorgeous George.
Here it
Freddie
comes.
Blassie, the maker of
Andre, the giant. WrestleMania.
Everyone has a price.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is electric.
The champ is...
Wow! Superman punch! And now, by God! And now! Oh my God! Here comes! It's over! Oh! What the hell? What the hell's Rhino gonna do here?
Can you feel it, Cole? Can you feel it?
Oh my God! The jackknife powerbomb!
What the hell?
Here it comes! Good God! God! Here it comes!
Come on, damn him. Oh, man. That's pathetic. That's not funny. That's not funny. Oh, my gosh.
Shadow landing on his feet.